It's the 26th of November. My name is Bongega Masango, and here are your newspaper headlines. On the front page of The Star, Teachers Minister in showdown. Union announces boycott of national assessments. The front page of The Times, a bark but no bite. AG monitors purse strings, but government and hawks don't tackle money wastage. The Citizen reports another 1 billion rand down the drain. On the front page of the Sowetans, Dumo hides Cosatu dirt. Leader blocks revelation of corrupt deals. Affiliates benefit from e-toll and labour brokers. The front page of the Pretoria News, Oranje bid in city. Group wants areas for Afrikaners after 2016 poll. The front page of the Cape Times reports Coetzee favourite to take over Springbok coach. The Cape Argus reports Coetzee tipped to take over Bok job. Ex-Stormers coach favourite to replace Meyer. And lastly, on the front page of the Business Day, a call for De Beers chief to step down. For these stories and more, visit News 24 Live.